रीडिंग करनी होगी, ठीक है। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and assalamu alaikum to the students of class 5. I warmly welcome you back to the class. As you know that this is your revision class, and today we are going to have reading of one of the chapter that we have covered in final term. Okay, so let's see which chapter we are going to read today. We are going to have reading of chapter investigating matter, right? So students, I'll ask you to read the chapter from book, for from screen. If screen is not clear to you, you can also read the paragraph from your book as well, okay? But it would not be difficult for you to read from the screen because I have taken half page. I haven't taken the full page, so the font would be smaller to you. Yes, my charming students, let's start. Okay, so raise your hand in the chat box those who want to read the first paragraph. I'm gonna give the turn to Arham. Arham, unmute yourself, beta. Hmm.
Anything that has
Okay, first,
take up
first recite
space.
Bismillah, call out the name of the chapter, then start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Investigating matter. Anything that takes up space and has weight is called matter. The clothes you wear are matter. The food you eat is and what the water you drink are matter. The bones and muscles of your body are matter. Also have weight and occupies space. Air is
Therefore,
therefore also matter.
hmm. Continue.
The smallest particle of matter. A piece of iron is matter. If you break the iron piece, you get a smaller piece of iron. You can go on breaking the piece of iron into smaller and smaller pieces.
This
But
process
this process must end somewhere. It is
possible.
possible to get the smallest piece of iron. Del, del, Dalton,
Dalton, yes, Dalton, the name
Dalton,
of the
as,
scientist.
Dalton, a scientist of the 19th century, called the smallest piece of iron the iron atom.
Similarly,
Similarly, the smallest piece of gold is the gold atom. The smallest piece of
aluminium.
aluminium is the aluminium atom.
Okay, good. Now mute yourself. The turn goes to another student now, and the student is going to be Alina. Alina, I want you to start reading from the first line of this page. Investigating matter. First, recite Bismillah and call out the name of the chapter. Then start reading from the line number 1.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Investigating matter. Anything that takes up space and has weight is called matter. The clothes you wear are matter. The food you eat and the water you drink are matter. The bones and muscles of your body are matter.
Air.
Air also has weight and occupies space. Air is therefore also matter. The smallest particle of matter. The piece of iron is a matter. If you break the iron piece, you get smaller pieces of iron. You can go on breaking the piece of iron into smaller and smaller pieces. But this process must end somewhere. It is possible to get the smallest piece of iron. Dalton, a scientist of the 19th century, called the smallest piece of iron the iron atom. Similarly, the smallest piece of piece of gold is the gold atom, and the smallest piece of aluminium is the aluminium atom. The smallest particle of gold, iron, and aluminium is the atom, but in many cases, the smallest particle is not atom. It is a molecule. In fact, in most of the cases, atoms live in a group of two or more atoms. This group of atoms is called a molecule. The smallest particle of oxygen gas is not an oxygen atom. It is the oxygen molecule. It has two atoms.
Good, very good. Now I want someone else to read the page, and the student is going to be, the turn goes to Hafsa. Hafsa Nawal.
What is matter made up of? Every matter of the world is made up of elements. There are about 110 elements in the world out of which everything has been made. An element is made up of one kind of atoms. Oxygen gas is one of an element. All the atoms of oxygen are of one kind. Water is not an element because it is made up of two kinds of atoms, the atoms of hydrogen and oxygen. The smallest particle of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. These atoms form one molecule of water. What if when one atoms of different elements combine? One atoms of different elements combine from that they form new substances. They are called compounds. Carbon dioxide gas is a compound because it contains two kinds of atoms. Its molecule, the smallest particle, has one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen.
Okay, better
Elements
read out this one if you can. If it is visible to you properly, so you can read it out.
Do you know atoms and molecules are all so small that they cannot be seen even by the most powerful microscopes? Approximately 4 million gold atoms placed end to end will form a line only 1 mm long, millimeter long. Thousands of water molecules are present in a tiny drop of water. Atoms of one element are different from the atoms of other element. Every element has its own kind of atoms. Elements as letters of the alphabet elements. You can think of elements like
Okay,
letters
okay.
of the
Good. Okay, now mute yourself, Hafsa. Manahil Asif. Manahil Asif, unmute yourself, beta, and read out the same paragraph which Hafsa has read. Start reading from the first one.
What is a matter made up of?
Come on.
Every matter of the world is made up of elements. There are about 110 elements in the world, world out of which everything has been made. An element is made up of one kind of atom. Oxygen gas is an element. All the elements of oxygen are of one kind. Water is not an element because it is made up of two kind of atom, the atom of hydrogen and oxygen. The smallest particle of water contains two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. These atoms from one molecule of water.
Continue.
What happens when atoms of different element combine? When atom of different element combine substance, these are called compound. Carbon dioxide gas is a compound because a kind of atom. It molecules the smallest particle has one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen.
Okay, good. Now the turn goes to Vania Khan.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Vania?
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Okay, you need to start the reading while reciting Bismillah. Right? Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Elements as letters of the alphabet. Elements. You can think of elements like letters of the alphabet. You can join different letters to make words. Thousands of words can be made from the 26 alphabets. In the same way, atoms of different elements can join together to make molecules of different matters. Millions of different kinds of molecules can be made from only about 110 different kinds of atoms. This is why there are millions of compounds around us.
Good. Okay, beta. So here you can see the diagrams of carbon dioxide, a hydrogen molecule, and nitrogen molecule. The oxygen molecule can be drawn the same way as the hydrogen molecule and the nitrogen molecule is drawn over here. Okay, because as I told you, if you remember previous week when we were discussing this chapter, so I told you that if I ask you to draw the oxygen atom molecule, so that is O2. It means two atoms of oxygen. Okay, so how many nitrogen atom can you see here? These are two, one and two. And here in in hydrogen, you can see two atoms. If I ask you to to draw two atoms of oxygen, so they will be drawn the same way, right? So what is the difference that you can see here is a carbon dioxide molecule is having unequal atoms. Why these are unequal atoms? Because these are different. This is carbon and these are two oxygen. So one carbon and two oxygen. They are unequal, they are dissimilar in colors as well. Okay, so that is why the line that we have read on previous page, that all the elements, all the things cannot be broken into atoms. There are many of the things, the smallest part of them is called as compound. So this is a compound. We can we make the atom of it? अगर हम इसे break down करते हैं, we'll get two oxygen atoms and one carbon atom. So that would be oxygen and carbon, not carbon dioxide. So if we divide it further, if we break it down further, so it will no more atom. It will not be the molecule, then it will be the atom just. ठीक है? So अगर मैं आपको कहूँ that can we get the atom of hydrogen? Yes, we can get it. ये two है, इसे हम further break करके एक और एक कर सकते हैं. But if I ask you to break down one molecule of carbon dioxide, क्या इस एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल को हम दो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के एटम्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? नो, क्योंकि जब हम इसे ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे तो ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रहेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है ही इसलिए बिकॉज दे आर जॉइंट, they have made bond with each other. So when the bond would be broken, so it will not be the molecule, they will become atom. तो हर चीज का स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट एटम नहीं होता, कुछ चीजों के स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल क्या होते हैं? मॉलिक्यूल. जैसे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, द कंपाउंड्स के जितने भी आपके एग्जांपल हैं, उनके जो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल हैं वो मॉलिक्यूल है, नॉट द एटम. क्योंकि अगर हमने इसे एटम के लिए किया तो हमें इसे सिंगल सिंगल अलग करना होगा, और जब हम इसके हर एटम को एक दूसरे से अलग कर देंगे, इफ वी ब्रेक इट डाउन, so we will not get the carbon dioxide then. Yes, we can get the carbon separately, we can get the oxygen separately, मगर हमें वो जो एटम मिलेगा वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का तो नहीं होगा ना. So we should keep this thing in our mind. Okay, so compounds, the smallest particle of a compound is molecule. The smallest particle of element is atom. ठीक है? These two nitrogen atoms can be broken into one and one. This hydrogen molecule can be broken into one and one, but this molecule cannot be broken. If we break it down, it will not remain carbon dioxide, then it will remain carbon separately and oxygen separately. So we cannot say that the smallest particle of carbon dioxide is a molecule. No, it would be a molecule, not the atom. I want someone to read out this paragraph. So the turn goes to Abdullah Khan. Yes, Abdullah. Can you see the screen properly or should I turn the page? Okay, एक काम कीजिए. Read these lines. Beta, your voice is not clear. Try to speak louder.
Yes, आप तो मुझे अनम्यूट कर रही है.
Okay, beta, so mute yourself. Abdullah, speak aloud.
Anything that occupies space and has weight is matter. Matter is made up of atom and molecule. The smallest particle of an element is an atom. Atoms of two or more elements combine to form molecules, which are the smallest particle of a compound. Solid, liquid, and gas are the three states of matter. They behave in different ways because of differences in the arrangement
Arrangement.
of molecules in them. In solid, molecules are very tightly packed. In liquid, they are less tightly packed. In gases, they are completely free to move around. Heating or cooling can change the state of matter.
Okay, now mute yourself. Okay, beta. So if I ask you that how can we change the state of matter? So your answer should be by heating or cooling. Okay, if someone asks you that can we change the shape of the matter, you can say yes. And how do we change the state of matter? By heating or cooling. So the best example is of water. We know that water exists in liquid form, but when we heat it, it is converted into evaporation, it is converted into steam, that is a gaseous form. But when we cool it down, when we freeze it, it becomes solid in the as we can see the ice. Okay, now I want someone else to read this one page. So those students who are getting the page clearly, they can raise their hand. Yes, Khajra.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam. First recite Bismillah and start reading.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. States of matter. Most matter can be placed into one of three groups. These groups are solid, liquid, and gas.
Khajra,
This
that is
solid
beta,
group
your voice is not
the gas.
clear. Khajra, wait, beta, wait. Your voice is not clear. That is why I do not make you unmute because usually there's a problem in your mic. I don't know that is internet issue or your mic issue. Beta, your voice is not clear. Okay? Nobody is getting your voice properly. So beta, you need to mute yourself now. So the next student would be Mas Farooq.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. States of matter. Most matter can be placed into one of three groups. These groups are solid, liquid, and gas. This book is a solid water. This book is a solid. Water is a liquid. Air is a gas. Solid, liquid, and gas are called states of matter. Solids are solids are generally hard. You cannot easily change their shape. Liquids flow easily. Their shape changes when poured from one vessel into another, but they cannot escape from the vessel. Gases flow most easily. When put into a container, they fill up the entire space of the container. If the container is open, they will escape out. The three states of matter behave in different ways because of differences in the arrangement of molecules in them.
Good. Now call out the examples of elements and compounds.
Examples of common elements: oxygen, hydrogen, iron, gold, aluminium, carbon, silver, copper. Examples of some common compounds: water, carbon dioxide, sugar, cooking salt, chalk, vinegar, baking
Vinegar.
soda,
Vinegar is
hydrochloric acid.
sirka, okay, that we use in our kitchen for different recipes. Sirka, that is called as vinegar. Hydrochloric acid. Good. Okay, Maz, you need to mute yourself now. I want someone else to read out this paragraph. Ishmael.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Alaikum Assalam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All molecules of a substance attract with each other. In solids, the molecules are very tightly packed. As they are very close together, they attract each other very strongly. This keeps them firmly together. This is what makes solid hard. In a liquid, the molecules are less tightly packed. Therefore, they are farther away from each other and do not attract each other so strongly. They can move about within them. What is why that is why liquid can flow and take the shape of the container. In a gas, the molecules are so far apart that there is hardly any attraction between them. They can move about freely in the entire space available to them. That is why they fill up entire space of container.
Very good, Beta. Where were you, Ishmael? For many days you were not there in the online classes. Hmm? You were not there
Yes, ma'am.
for you were not there for many of the days in online classes. Where were you?
No, miss. I was in home.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so Iraj, you want to read the chapter? Yes. Yes, Iraj, you are requested to read out the same. Yes, same page.
All molecules of a substance
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
attract. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All molecules of a substance attract each other in solids. The molecules are very tightly packed as they are very close together. They attract each other very strongly. This keeps them firmly together. This is what makes solid hard.
Good. Next one. Liquids.
In a liquid, the molecules are less tightly packed. Therefore, they are further away from each other and do not attract each other so strongly. They can move about within them. That is why liquids can flow and take the shape of the container.
Good. The next one.
In a gas, the molecules are so far apart that there is hardly any attraction between them. They can move about freely in the entire space available to them. That is why they fill up entire space of a container.
Good. Now mute yourself, Iraj. Now the turn goes to Tehzeeb. Tehzeeb, I'm gonna give you the access. Tehzeeb, are you there? Tehzeeb. Beta, we are not getting your voice. Maybe your gadget is having some of the issue. Now the turn goes to Ali bin Salman. Ali, I want you to read out. Tehzeeb, mute yourself, beta. Ali, I want you to read out the page which is in front of you. Ali, unmute yourself and read out the page. Okay, the turn goes to Taha. Taha. Yes, Afan. Afan, can you hear me? Afan, unmute yourself, beta. You just need to read out the page. Come on, कोई बहुत मुश्किल चीज तो आप लोगों से नहीं कही जा रही है ना? Yes, the turn goes to Amna Hasha. Amna, beta, unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam, beta. Read out this page.
Miss, change of the state se karu.
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Change of state. Water, when kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, turns into ice. Ice, if heated, will again change into water. Water, when heated, changes into steam. When steam is cooled down, it changes back to water. Ice, water, and steam are the same substance. Their molecules are exactly the same. They are all made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Ice is the solid state of water. Water is in a liquid state. Steam is the gaseous state of water. Heating or cooling can change the state of water. Wax is another substance in which change of state can easily be seen by heating and cooling. Many substances can exist in all three states, but change of state is not so easy to see in other substances. Iron, for example, has to be made very hot, very, very hot before it forms the melted iron.
Good. Okay, beta. So first, I'm trying to give the access to those students who haven't read the chapter, but the students are not responding. So I'm gonna give the access back to those students who have already read the chapter. So the turn. Taha, you have unmuted yourself now. मैंने आपको कब कहा था? Okay, Hamna, I want you to read out, beta.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta, read out the page. Same page. Change in states of matter.
Change of state. Water, when kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, turns into ice. Ice, if heated well, again change into water. Water, when heated, change into steam. When steam is cooled down, it changes back to water. Ice, water, and steam are the same substances. Their molecules are exactly the same. They are all made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Ice is the solid state of water. Water is in a liquid state. Steam is the gaseous state of water. Heating or cooling can change the state of water. Wax is another substance in which change of the state can easily be seen by heating and cooling. Many substances can exist in all three states, but change of state is not so easy to see in other substances. Iron, for example, has to be made very hot before it forms melted iron.
Good. Yes, the turn goes to Alina. Hafsa, I'm gonna give you the access after Alina.
It's from where?
Yes. From the first line, change of state.
Change of state.
Yes, beta.
Change of state. Water, when kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, turns into ice. Ice, if heated, will again change into water. Water, when heated, changes into steam. When steam is cooled down, it changes back to water. Ice, water, and steam are the same substances. Their molecules are exactly the same. They're all made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Ice is the solid state of matter. Water is in a liquid state. Steam is the gaseous state of water. Heating or cooling can change the state of our water. Wax is another substance in which change of the state can easily be seen